Hey YouTube, what's going on? So today I just wanted to do a video and give you guys an update on the shop. What's going on? So basically what I've been working on is wiring everything up and getting like lights installed and all that stuff, getting it ready for inspection, final inspection and all that. And hopefully I'll have it done soon. I've just been kind of working on it on the weekends. My dad's been helping me. And so, it's just slow process to get everything wired, run, and all that stuff. But let me take you guys through what's going on. Like I said, this is a 28 by 28 garage with 11-foot sidewalls. If you want to see more, about what the shop is like on the outside and like some of the details about it, I have another video, and I'll put that in the description as well, so you guys can go and watch that. But let me turn the camera around and show you what's going on. So, over here, I'm just going to start on the ceiling. So we finished all the lights, wiring those, well, not quite wiring them up, but we got the lights mounted and everything up there. We still have to put the outlet box for them to plug into, and run that stuff. I mean, we don't have any power out here yet. I haven't even run it from the house, but what I've done is just mounted those to the beams, and these are 8-foot light sections. So there's 3 sections of 8 feet, and there's 4 sections. So the ones that are on, I just have on like a extension cord right now. So just super temporary, just so I can have light out here while I'm doing this. You can see they're plenty bright. I mean, you can see everything super well, even just with those two on. But anyway, so starting over here, I kind of show you guys what's going on. So I got 3 outlets you can see over here, and then I got 1, 2, 3, 4 outlets up on the workbench area, and then one up here. That's for the TV over here. So I actually was going to use an old TV that I had, and then Walmart had these on clearance for like, I don't even think it was $400. It was like 3 something at my Walmart, and they were just clearing them out. So I'm going to put a 75-inch TV up here, but anyway, that's going to go right up there. I got like a mount for it. So that'll be cool. It'll be nice actually to have something big like that. I can, have people out here, and, if we're working on the garage, we can watch the game, or, just people can we can pull the cars out and have people in here for game nights, movie nights, whatever. So that'll be cool to have a big TV out here. And then the other thing I did, sorry, excuse all the mess. I mean, I have parts everywhere, but anyway, what I did is I built this kind of workbench thing. So what I did, I actually saw this on Reddit, and the guy took US General, which is a Harbor Freight brand, toolboxes. You put them together, and then at the top you can see there's a this is like a butcher block countertop that I took, and I stained it, and then it just sits on top of it. Now, one of the things somebody said to do is, you can see right here, it sits like right on top of it, and there's a gap. What I was originally going to do was put like a piece of trim across the front, and then somebody suggested taking like a router and putting a groove in it. So like a groove there and a groove there and all that stuff. And then it'll sit flush with the top of it. So I'm going to do that. I just haven't gotten to it yet. And then I got all my tools in here. Just give you a quick show. So a lot of tech and stuff. I can go do a toolbox tour if you guys want. But sockets are all over on this side. I got like wrenches and everything on this side. Just a quick overview, and then a bunch of miscellaneous stuff over there on that side. And then I also have like a tool cart over there with like my detailing stuff and all that. The other thing I've done, let me walk you guys over here. So I put up some shelving units just to kind of give me some storage space. So that's pretty nice. But like I said, wiring is what I'm working on now. So like I said, 3 outlets over here, 5 over here, and then see 4 outlets over there, so like along this wall right here. And then I'm gonna have light above these doors on the outside, and then right in the middle, like right there at the bottom, I'm going to have an outlet, and then I'm going to have one more over there for my air compressor. So that's kind of the plan right now. So I think it's between, including the outlets for the lights up top, it's like 17 outlets worth. So I'm trying to do all this myself, and kind of get some money saved. So it's kind of expensive to hiring, but what I've found is you can save a lot of money if you get stuff off of like eBay or Facebook Marketplace or something like that. I found like people doing odd jobs, or getting rid of the stuff after they were done with the job, and picked up some deals. I think I'm in it, like I'm only in this like $1,200. You can see like I got a huge spool of wire that was off of like eBay or Facebook Marketplace or something, and then I got my breakers and all that stuff from like Lowe's. But I'm in this like $1,200, maybe a little bit more at this point. I need to kind of do a full tally and see that. But it's definitely a lot cheaper. I've talked to some people. They said it could be like 10 grand to get a shop this size wired. So if you have a little bit of know-how, I think it's worth doing. Yeah, there's some things you need to know about, like codes, and like different areas have different years of the code book that they follow, so you need to check your area. I'm not an electrician, so I'm not going to tell you how to do any of this, and I'm probably not going to do something right. Sure, I won't. Probably not going to pass inspection on the first time. That's okay. I'm learning, and I think it's a great learning experience. And being able to wire this up is going to save me a ton of money for other projects down the road. So like a lift. But anyway, so kind of just doing this as I go, working on it on the weekends, doing what I can. My dad's helping me out, so that's great. But yeah, we'll see how this goes. Hopefully we'll finish it up in the next few weeks. I'm hoping maybe the end of this month, early next month, which would be like June, beginning of June. I don't want to be crawling around under my house in the heat with the snakes. So try and at least get the wire, ran from the house, and start wiring all the outlets to the breaker. I basically ran all the wires to the outlets. I just need to put the breaker in and run the wires to the breaker and to the light switches, and then from the house at this point. So we'll see how that goes. Just keep on going with it. So I'll keep updating you guys as I go. Just excited to just have some semblance, of finishing this up with the lights, and once I get it all wired, I'll be able to get it inspected and then get it signed off on and be good. So start fully using it. I mean, I've been using the garage, but when you have a pile of electrical stuff in your corner and all over the workbench, it's hard to get stuff done. So anyway, I'll catch you guys on the next video. Let me know if you have any questions, comments, and don't forget to like and subscribe. All right, see ya.